Want to know how to access your app settings easily through the app itself in Best Buy? So in most of the apps, you can't just simply access the app settings, whereas you have to go directly bypass it through your Android or other stuff. But in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do it in Best Buy through the app. It's super simple and just under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now first things first, just simply open up your Best Buy application on your phone. So we have also created several videos of how to use Best Buy and much more, so make sure to watch it. So right here, you can see my Best Buy app interface, and on the bottom right side, you should be seeing your profile right here with your name, just looks like that. And here, you should be seeing various options. Now right below account settings, you should be seeing app settings. There you go. This is your app settings right here. So you can just simply open up, and once you open the app settings, you can sign out, authenticate just like this right here, and then just simply see your privacy policy, your personal information, and that's it. You can just simply enable or disable authentication as well. You can also delete your account from here. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.